Namaskar, my dear friend. You are welcome to my YouTube channel DP Forensic Lab. In today's video, I will discuss about human identification using gait analysis. In previous video, I highlighted the different techniques which commonly used for forensic purpose. These techniques are facial features analysis from the photo or the CCTV footage, fingerprint analysis, DNA analysis, odontology study, iris or retina analysis, gait features analysis, handwriting analysis, voice analysis, forensic anthropology analysis, and skull or skeleton analysis. These are the main techniques used for human identification for forensic purpose. But today I will discuss about the gait analysis. Gait analysis used for human identification in detail. So, what is a gait analysis? Actually, gait analysis, it is a study of a body movement. It is a study of the body movement, angles, oblique features, while the person moving or running. These features are unique because due to the physiopsychological condition. So these are unique and can be used in person identification. So why need the gait analysis? Why require the gait analysis? If the facial features in the video or the photograph are not visible, in many cases happened, the facial features are not clearly visible. In the photograph or the video, in such situation, the person identification become difficult, whether this is a particular person or not. So in such situation, or to overcome this problem, the gait analysis can be used for the person identification. So I will discuss today. So gait analysis can be done on the basis of the two things. Number one, gait analysis based on the footprint. If the footprint is available on the ground or anything, gait analysis also can be, or gait features can be calculated by using the footprint if this print is available. And other is using the CCTV footage. So there is two types analysis, gait analysis, footprint analysis based on the footprint analysis and CCTV footage analysis. In today's video, I will discuss only the footprint analysis for gait features examination. So for the gait analysis, using the footprint, if the footprint is clearly visible, you have to draw these types of the lines. So this is middle lines. This is called the DL. This is direct line. The direct line. This is a direct line. This is a one line FL. FL means foot line. This is another line. This can be drawn, and this angle can be drawn. So such type of the lines can be drawn, and you have also draw such type of the lines. Because the parameters calculated from this pattern depend on the available or the visibility of the footprint. So this is not limited. Various type of the parameters which I have brought in these two pictures can be used for the analysis. In the summary form, we can say we can draw a direct line, gait line, foot line, foot angle, principal angle, step angle left or right, step length, step breadth, step gap, or base of the gait, or even the time of the gait cycles. So I have summarized the parameters, but you have choose another parameters as per the available of the data. So these can be calculated. These are very, very important or very having a unique character, because I have generated a data. This is my generated data. This is unpublished published data. What in a research basis for the research purpose I made this data. I have recorded parameters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8%. These are 8%. This is myself. This is only two. I have taken the two parameters, एक standing angle or the step gap. Because due to the various condition, physiopsychological condition, if the person is standing, the standing angle may be different person to person, or maybe the step gap also be maybe different. Suppose in case the myself, my age is about the 36 or 56. So standing angle is 51 and step gap is 10 centimeter. This is another person, paper wala. I have to, this step angle is equal to 13, age is equal to 38, and step gap is equal to 12. This is another person, Binay, another age 38, this standing angle 11, and this is step gap 16. And this is another person, P1 or K1 or P1. These are very important parameters taken by the two person. The K1 and K2 are the sibling, female sibling, or they have a very, very similar in the facial features. Even the unknown person may confuse by seeing, but when we absorb, so this is a K1 and another person is a 55 and a 45. This is a twin. No, sorry, but so this is a twin. So physiological or the facial features wise, these two female, which are the twin, but no, sorry, which are sibling, is a very similar people. What the age is equal to 32 and 24. So there is a difference, and in this case standing angle this is a 40 or is a 13, and the step gap they go 7 or 13 or 9. Or this is another person, Nena, this is a 15 or 18. So from this data we can say this is not published data. I will try to take another data for the publication. Just for the education purpose, I want to say, or I want to show, these type of the parameters are very useful for the gait analysis, and from these features we can identify the person on the basis of the footprint. It is also fact there is a various parameters which affect the gait features, like age. Due to the age, this gait features may be vary. This is also a gender dependent, height, shape and size of the bony component, weight and its distribution. This is also important. Suppose a person weight at a particular time is equal to suppose 50, and suddenly due to the health issues and something become the heavy weight. So this parameter can be changed. So keep in the mind, these are factors which can affect the parameters of the gait. So another is a joint mobility, type of the clothing and footwear. This is also very important. Which type of the cloth and footwear he has bought. Suppose when in a crime the person is running without shoes or moving without shoes, When he is wearing the shoes, these gait features or footprint may be vary. So, whenever we record the control sample or specimen samples, we have to keep in the mind same situation. If the person wearing in the chappal in the criminal activity, while we are going to record the control sample, we should also record in the same situation with the chappal. If the in question he is wear the chappal, control sample, he should take the sample wearing the chappal. So parameters cannot be changed, and this is a habit also and physiological status also. Suppose at a particular time person are in the health issues, suppose in a fever and any other illness, so temporarily the facial gait features may be vary. So keep in the mind this type of the situation or factor can affect the parameters of the gait analysis. Keep in the mind while we are going to analyze of the gait features for the human identification. So today video I try to explain the parameters or methods for the gait analysis based on footprint. This is a published method. Gait analysis using the footprint. You can study the further. The literature is available on the net. For any kind of the help, you can contact to me at this address like this, and you think this is slightly useful, please like my video, comment and give the suggestion. Thank you.